quick tip today, or utilizing space, is to use the space that you have. So we're going to talk about these cool roller box planters and how I use them in my patio garden. Alright guys, so these are some roller planter boxes that actually roll underneath the big, elevated boxes. These two that you saw are actually from last year. So they were made out of the scraps that I had left from the original bed. And so I had a plan, I knew what I wanted to do, and took it to my dad's shop and kind of came up with a box that would roll out from underneath the planter box and roll back in when I needed it to. So for like hardening off plants, this works out really good because I can roll them out when they need some sun, and then when it gets too hot, I just roll them back under in the shade or at night. I don't have to worry about them getting too, if there's some frost or something. I can roll them inside or roll them under and just cover them up with one of those baby sheets if you've seen that video. But it works out really good. Different plants. Here are the tomatoes. So they're just going to sit out here. And then if I feel like they're getting way too much sun because they're younger, then I'm just going to roll them back under. You can see here are the rollers. There's one on each side. Make sure that you get some that are going to support the box because it is heavy, kind of like the planters. And then they just roll under and roll out. I do not suggest putting one in the middle. I've done that on things before, and it is a huge headache and does not work. So just keep with your 4. I'm doing this with just one hand right now, so you can just kind of maneuver it. Put it back under there, and now it's okay. Well, thanks for joining me for that video and this quick gardening, patio tip or gardening hack. If you enjoyed that, you can also follow the playlist that is right there in the link and see some of our other videos. And help us out and give us a subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and help us to teach other people about patio gardening, how they can produce their own food, possible questions they have about starting a modern homestead, and different things that we have discovered over the years that might help others have an easier time or just come up with ideas and find out some cool, neat things. So, see you next time.